guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new here, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are someone that has been watching me for some time, thank you so much for just supporting me on my journey. Listen, I'm not a cosmetologist. I'm gonna let y'all know this right now. So however this come out, do not come for me. I'm gonna show y'all how I did it, but I'm not a cosmetologist. I'm not a specialist or nothing like that. I don't do this for a living. So if it come out cute, no, I can't do your hair. No, I'm not doing it. No. And if it come out bad, then I mean, I'm gonna just be a bald head bitch, and it is what it is. I've been wanting to be a bird anyways. Let's get into it. Thing he won't deny. Bands on your kid's head like he playing dice. Tabs on them making their hearts pay the price. You ain't shit, bitch. I should have seen it in your eyes. Came from nothing, but you ain't a humble guy. To find out the whole front was a lie. Why waste my time? I could've remained solo. Family man, my ass nigga really a bozo. Got a treat for your trick play, pussy get fucked ho. Swear you that nigga, but you really a bum though. Claim you getting bitches, but you out here with the bro. A bitch down, pick her up, knock her back down, pull her tracks out. Yes I slap, yes I slap, yes I slap loud. My hair is all the way taken down. Me and my son had a little party to dye out the kitchen, and then we're gonna go ahead and get it mixed up. Whip it up in the pot like we cooking that. I'm finna try some, y'all. I'm finna mix these and see what happens. We're going for like a ginger look, so we gonna see what happens. Section it out real quick. I was trying to watch some YouTube videos, y'all, so I can get a couple tips before I do this. But I'm gonna just go and just do it all the way. Hey guys. You come say hi. Say today we're dyeing mommy hair.
We're dyeing mommy's hair. How many hair we have?
Okay, y'all, so my hair is finally combed out. I'm gonna go ahead and just knock this over for a second though. It is medium auburn. The coloring cream, this, the instructions, and some gloves. Let me open this up. In here. Put a little oil on my edges too. Okay, y'all, so I didn't realize I wasn't recording the whole time I've been dyeing my hair. Sorry. I used 2 whole bottles of the other color, and now I'm about to start with the blonde one. I don't want to overdo it. We're gonna see what it's giving. Ooh, look like it got lighter, y'all. I hope so. It did not take like I thought it was going to. It's still cute. It just isn't as light as I wanted it to be. Like I thought it was going to. So here, babe. So we're gonna have to make it do what we got. And it doesn't look like it got no lighter than it was. So this was a fail down. This wasn't giving. I just did my second wash. I let it sit maybe like 20 minutes. It's cute enough, but that's not the color I was going for. So I may rest a couple days and let it you know, my scalp get some rest with the dye, and then go back in and get another lighter color and dye it again. This is the color. Check in. I blew dry my hair out. Here's my big old bun. Here's my real ponytail. I done blew dry it out. That's when it's done.
And you don't know why this in our correspondence. And basically, I think this one.
Tell them how the ops caught you lacking at the store. Made a deal to give up the load to your big bro. He said they just spotted y'all and just followed. passenger princess, ain't left with no hoes. No coincidence, little homie is really the mo. Streets talking now, watch out, cause I told you ain't really a shooter. You don't really slang pose. He ain't down for the squad, he just giving up info. Told me you was sign a deal and then hit the road. Refuse to take the chart, but you claim you won't go. Let's see if you can handle the yard like the bros. Text Sally to let the homies know you coming home.
It's actually pretty cute, but like I said, I was really going for a more lighter color than this, but the dark is kind of cute.
DV paint the bed, that bed is hella cold. Deadbeat missing, watch how he gets soaked. Keep it tight, nigga, don't forget.
If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave your comments down below. Let me know what you like to see. Thank you guys for staying tuned on this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.